The US has recorded its first measles-related death in 10 years. Let me just say that again. Its first measles-related death in a decade. A young child in Texas reportedly died because of the disease, triggering fears about the resurgence of a virus once thought to be eradicated in America. And this is extremely concerning. US health officials, in fact, confirmed the child's death on Wednesday, revealing that the victim had not received a measles vaccination. This, by the way, comes amid a growing outbreak in Texas and the neighboring US state of New Mexico, where cumulatively over 130 cases have already been reported this year itself. According to reports, the majority of those infected are unvaccinated children, and the outbreak has led to at least 20 hospitalizations in Texas alone. American health experts warn that this is just the beginning, and cases could surge in the coming weeks as the virus spreads. The U.S. Health Secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., addressing the outbreak during a cabinet meeting, reportedly stated that 2 individuals had died in Texas due to measles. However, Texas and New Mexico health authorities have only confirmed 1 fatality so far.
We are following the measles epidemic every day. I think there's 124 people who have contracted measles at this point, mainly in Gaines County, Texas. Mainly, we're told, in the Mennonite community. There are 2 people who have died, but we're watching it, and there are about 20 people hospitalized, mainly for quarantine.
According to reports, the last recorded measles-related deaths in the United States occurred in 2015. Just for some background here, the U.S. had declared measles eliminated in 2000, meaning the disease was no longer spreading continuously within the country. However, health experts now warning that the return of the virus is directly linked to declining vaccination rates, and U.S. federal health data reveals a rather troubling trend. Immunization coverage among young children has reportedly dropped from around 95% in 2019 to around 93% in 2023 to 2024. The nearly 2% drop is significant, by the way. It has reportedly left approximately 280,000 American children exposed to preventable diseases like measles. American health authorities explained that while measles was once considered eradicated in the U.S., outbreaks are becoming more frequent as vaccination rates continue to fall.
That we'd eradicated measles from the United States and had really gotten to a point where we just didn't see these kinds of outbreaks happening. Obviously, that has changed over the last 20-something years, and so we do see outbreaks more frequently, but that is related to how much we're vaccinating our population. When we think about vaccine-preventable illnesses, they're only preventable if we have adequate vaccination rates. And as we see those rates start to decline, across the nation, then we'll see more outbreaks.
According to reports, in 2023, the United States reported 59 cases of measles from 4 outbreaks. Last year, that number skyrocketed to 285 cases from 16 outbreaks. And now with the US recording that first measles-related death in 10 years, concern has also skyrocketed, triggering fear about what lies ahead. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.